Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on, look at this. So I am going to create a property here. I just opted into a beta that takes the rules for validation for property to the next level. So we've had these simple rules for a couple years now, but you can now validate using regular expressions, which is way beyond my technical ken. But hold on a minute. Imagine for a minute I just put this string in here. What is that? That validates for email addresses. So I can say this isn't a valid email address. You gotta have a dot something at the end. And look, we can test it right here. So, right, if I say Kyle at J, we're gonna say this isn't a valid email address, and we can get some help, right? But if I say .co or .com, that works great. You could use this for all kinds of things. And again, this is beyond my technical ken. I could not write that regex expression myself. But if you come to the associated knowledge doc, which is in the product update page, look, we've got US phone number, we've got email address, we've got zip code, we've got URL, we've got white space. All the things you've ever wanted properties to validate for, you can now do if you can figure out the regular expression to write it, to validate it. I think this opens up a lot of possibilities for admins. I'd love to hear what you think about it. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions.